have the pace, and when he can do it, look everywhere. I have the pace, push it back, then again I open, boom. And here I open. What we can do? I want you to do the spinning. Look my foot, inside. Put here, and go to mouth. Boom. Okay? I want to do the spin. You know this movement? You know that? Okay. Alright? You know that? Okay. You know that? No? Do the spinning. It's very good. Because you open and what I do, teacher? You need to do, you got the position. So, the position I like at the mount. Here you do. Here you do. The secret, my foot. Inside. Hold, spin, and sit. Easy. Okay. I will. Yes. Somebody want to ask me something? Okay. Now I do one. It's like this.